Hey, Summertime Cats here. Welcome to week number 10 in the 52-week challenge. We are going 52 weeks in 2025 to the lake on the FishPro. We're traveling to a lake or river every week of this year, 2025, and we will be on the FishPro. We're gonna fish, we're gonna camp, we're gonna explore, we're gonna do all kinds of things. We're in week 10. It's finally warming up. 76, 77 is a high today, light winds. It's a beautiful day. We're set on a brand new lake, about to drop in and get out here. I'm already seeing surface activity. The water temperature is probably around 54 to 56 degrees. Fish will be active and I am ready to fish. So we're gonna get out here, see if we can't put some fish on the FishPro today. And I'm taking you guys with me. Let's do it. All right, first thing we're gonna do is see if we can get some of these skipjack. And he said tying a couple of these, but I'm just gonna stick this one out here. See if I can't get one. Skipjack. Those are all. So maybe we don't have skipjack out there after all. Maybe we just have yellow bass. That's the third one I caught. So we may have the wrong species we're looking for out there. They like these. Since that's the third yellow belly or yellow bass or rock bass that I've caught, I'm beginning to think that this is not skipjack like I originally thought it was and wanted to catch. So I'm going to spend a few more minutes out here. If I get another one that's not a skipjack, I'll have to move on. Alright, so no skipjack, it's just yellow bass or yellow belly bass, whatever you want to call them in different places. So let's get going and let's see if we can put some bass on this FishPro. All right, here's where we're going to catch some bass right here. We're going to use the traditional go-to best worm I know so far. We're going to use this pumpkin color, motor oil color with the orange tail, chartreuse tail. And we're just going to Texas rig it. We're going to put some smelly stuff on this one just to get my smell off of it. Just to get my smell off. Crawfish scent. Ay, 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 ay. Yes, 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 yes. Water temperature is only 53.69. Air temperature is about 65 right now. Oh! I didn't let him run with it. Not quite far enough. Let's see how that does. One had it. There you go. So this is definitely fishing, casting and fishing, and not catching. I'm throwing it, I'm working it like I've always worked it. I've had great luck here before. Last year I caught a 4-pounder over here and a little bit over 4 and a few threes, but nothing's hitting. I got a couple of bites, as you've seen, but no bass on board. Now the sun is out. Now it's getting hot. So I'm going to spray myself down and we're going to just keep on fishing. So, you guys, I muted this because the wind was just ferocious, anywhere between 12 to 20 miles per hour, mostly 15, 16 sustained. It was blowing me like a 0.89, 0.65 miles per hour. It's a good drift, but I mean, I can't get that many casts in when I'm going that fast. So, anyway, I'm going to hit this shoreline right here. It's got tons of lay down. It's pretty deep all the way up to the shore, and then it drops to, I mean, it's about a 2-foot drop off right there at the shoreline, but there's some really good laydowns and they can stretch all the way out to like the 9, 10, 12 foot of water. And I've caught several fish here before, good fish actually. So they're kind of hanging around the structure. So let me get up here and see if I can't throw out a few times. And I mean, I have to drift fast because I don't have a choice. On the FishPro, we do not have a trolling motor, so we're kind of at the mercy of the drift or the wind. And right now we've got a lot of wind. I'm marking some fish out here in the channel, plus a lot of bait fish, so that's a good sign. Let's get up here and get a fish. Be able to get too many cast off properly. Well, since I'm at almost a non-windy spot, I'm going to have a sandwich. This is a chicken salad and grape sandwich on some ciabatta bread. Holding it just fine. Whew, it's hot now, man. It feels so good. Golly, it feels good. Oh. This one has extra vegetables on it. Those are some sauteed vegetables, but they're not sauteed, they're marinated in a little bit of vinegar and olive oil. And it's peppers, jalapeno, white radish, and yellow sweet pepper. So about this time, I've decided to reevaluate the situation. I'm not going to be able to get out of this wind and find some fish. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and head back to the ramp, load up. I mean, it's still early in the day. It's probably about noon, 12:30. It's not even that late probably. And I'm going to head over to another lake and where I know I can get into some areas where there's hopefully some fish and there's no wind. All right, leaving boat ramp number 1, which is also lake number 1. Only had a few bites and a few small fish. So we're heading to the river where we know they're biting. So we're loaded up, heading back to the burrow. And we're going to put in and fish the Stones River. So this was Davis Corner Boat Ramp. All right, let's do it. All right, we are at the next ramp, which is ramp number 2, lake number 2, reservoir number 2, river number 2, whatever you want to call it. And we have horses on the horse trails today. Very nice. Look at that blue sky. At least this river is going to be a little bit protected from the wind. It was windy. I felt it hit it a few times. First crappie of the day. The small one on the board. So is the full moon. The sun has set and we did not have very many fish today. 2 lakes, 10 fish or so, something like that. Mostly little ones, all little ones actually. But I don't know, that full moon has got us big time. So we're heading into the dock, to the ramp, because we're not even on a dock, and I'm going to wade in the water to get my ski on without scraping it up. Feet are going to get wet. I got the worm out there for the last couple of casts of the night. See what happens. Well, week 10 has come to a close on this 52-week challenge. This has been the worst week of the challenge so far. Just a few fish, mostly small ones at the beginning, 1 crappie, 1 small bass. And I didn't get all those on video. So let me just give you a quick flash of what's to come. The rest of the challenge so far has been exciting, to say the least. I got a few weeks behind, and I apologize for that, but the editing has started, and this is what's to come.